Hi guys, this is Rakesh. Today we discuss topic about that how we can promoting for Google My Business through your website. So that is a very important key point. Anybody who can open your website, they can go to the contact us page. They open for the Google My Business will be here. Same Google My Business, how it open for the particular websites. How we'll be adding the particular website. In this purpose, first of all, you can open for the Google My Business on the Google search option. After that, click for maps. Yeah, guys, just I'm open for Google My Business. Here you can click for share option. We have to selecting for embed code. Any code adding for particular website, we have to using for embed code. After embed code, we can selecting here, open for Word document. In this, one small change will be required. That will be when using for Google My Business on your particular website, width will be we can showing for 100%. Why we can using 100%? The major required if you are using desktop, mobile, tablet is a user friendly purpose. So that is called we can use width will be 100%. Copy this code and after that you have to log in for particular website cPanel. Now, before login cPanel, you can check this particular URL, no Google My Business on the footer part. Now we are adding for which one? Google My Business each and every page. First of all, login cPanel. After login cPanel, just copy the code. We can go to the particular code format. Your task is the code we can give to the developers. They can update for particular site. We can go to the particular file and here which page we can add by the particular code here. We can add the code in the particular platform. So in this, so we can adding for bake option and we can using for division code. Done. Click for save change. Now refresh. The map visible by the each and every page. Not only one page. How many page you design? Each page the code will be visible by the in your particular Google Map option. This is a purpose. People easily know your exact location. That is purpose. The website will be converted into the Google My Business. So any kind of code we can adding on the website, the option will be called embed code. The option will be called embed code. This is a compulsory you have to follow the each and every page. Now I can go to the facility page. No map is there. I'm adding for mapping here. So it is done by map here. So what are the pages you have add the option? We can add the particular things here. So here everything will be ready. The simple option. Just you can open your page and update the code. This will be done by developers. But your task is to generate the code and give to the developer option. So end of the page, you can give this and update the code. So finally, the map will be updating for particular about us page. So this will be used on the particular Google My Business to transfer the traffic Google My Business from website option. Will be able to click, they go to the Google Maps option. So this is a method we have to people know about your easily to capture the your business address. So this will be add each and every page to increase the traffic for the particular Google My Business and particular websites. If you further any doubts, please ask me. This Lakesh channel will be definitely will help on the particular Google Map code. Thank you. Thank you for watching.